Hey guys, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine and most welcome in my day 10 English speaking challenging video. Yes guys, this is my day 10 English practicing challenge video and you are watching Basketball with English. And if you are new here, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for getting like that English related practice videos and English regarding video. And if you are watching my video from Facebook and Instagram, then please follow my profile for getting like that interesting blogs and English practicing videos also. And this is me Vishwadip Baske in front of you, and today I am going to practice my English with you, and keep listening and keep watching my video still end, because in this video I am going to I am going to make some sentences in English. I am going to describe some things by my sentence. If I did mistake anywhere, then please forgive me for as a English learner. So guys, I am an English learner, and just I am came here in our big pond to take bath with my friend. So guys, just I will show you the view of around me. There have a lots of trees, and in my beside there have a big dam. The dam name is Panchayat DBC Dam, and there also have a big hill. This is a Panchayat hill. So just I will show you and dam name and the Panchayat means hill name is same. So just I will show you. So keep watching my video and just look it. This is a big dam, and beside it this is a big hill of Panchayat. So this is a Panchayat hill, and just look around. There have some paddy fields are there, and just I am enjoying. And I am here a big, not big, it's like a little cottage. There people do security for the saving their fish of this big pond. And just I will show you the pond's view. So you can see this is a pond, and someone are taking bath. So because of this I am not able to show you very properly, but I will try to show you. So this is a cottage. Let me show you from the far away. So this is a cottage, and there people try to do save their faces. And you can see this is a locked. The door is locked right now. So just we are came here, and I will show you the view from here. You can see there have a little uh, boat. By this boat people do fishing also. And just I am going to show you from the nearly. So how is it? Please comment me after watching. And you can see he's my friend, and he's looking something, and just he is watching me because I am doing vlog, and he also blogger. So you can see this is a boat. By this boat people do fishing on the big pond, and we are came here to take bath because there have a good place to taking bath. So because of this we came here, and just keep watching my video. I will show you the very interesting things. There have some pillar of the wood, and by this wood this cottage made. And so guys, I will show you very interesting things, so keep watching. And we have come there to take bath, and there you can see the view. So guys, here I am wrap upping my video. If you like my video, then please follow my profile and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting like that English practice videos. So here I am wrap upping my video. So see you soon guys. Let's meet with you in my new another English practice video.